Don't move the camera at all. There you go.
No, you have nice.
There you go. Look at the eclipse, baby. Recorded.
Did you? Good. You
Hold on, stay right there. Video recording of the eclipse.
They got nasty ass feet.
The once in a lifetime
Look at
shits.
that. Not. It's only about 10% of the sun there, but don't move, Bob.
I'm not. You are fuck, dude. I'm not a mannequin here.
Huh? Stop. You're not in the sun anymore. You gotta put the glasses in the sun.
I don't know what that means.
Right there. There you go. Right there. Stay right there.
I'd be like scrubbing that thing.
Good, you got it?
Look at that. That's dope. Hold on, I'm recording.
Go to the corner.
Anybody who did not see the eclipse, May 20th, 2012.
YouTube it.
This will be YouTube from Vegas.
What do you want me to do?
Bobby, make sure.
What do you want me to do?
Well, I don't know. I can't see your angle. It looks like I'm in the sun.
Go into your angle wherever you
Both of you guys get poked in your belly.
Bobby, go
That's
in
good. You filmed it?
Just look. Go in the angle where you can see it, and I'll go above you.
Okay, right there.
Okay. There you go. Stay right there, right there. See it?
Oh, that's so cool, Mike. You can't see it.
Can you see it through his
Yeah,
phone?
it's good. Look.
Oh, wow. Let me get on.
Awesome.
Look at that. Hold on.
Let me get some of that.
Yeah, look.